Ready to take your small business to the next level? Digital marketing is your secret weapon. Digital marketing is all about reaching your customers where they spend most of their time, online. Imagine having the power to target your ads specifically to people who are most likely to buy from you. That's where data-driven marketing comes in. By analyzing data, you can craft ads that speak directly to your audience's needs. Now let's talk about two major players, Facebook and Instagram ads. On Facebook, you can create targeted ads based on age, location, interests, and even online behavior. Plus, Facebook's powerful analytics help you track your ad performance in real time. Switch over to Instagram, and you get the same robust targeting options, but with a more visual twist. Use eye-catching images and engaging stories to capture your audience's attention. And with Instagram shopping features, you can turn those likes into sales. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, mastering Facebook and Instagram ads can skyrocket your business growth. Ready to get started? Let's make your business go viral.